Okay, I want to talk to you about highest common factors. She says, Mrs. Yes off the end. So, let's have a look at what this actually means. So, if something's common, it occurs more than once. If it's a factor, it's a number that will fit into another number a whole number of times. And highest means biggest. So it's basically the largest number that will fit into two or more numbers. So the largest number that is a factor that will fit into two bigger numbers. So for example, let's have a look at 45 and 30. We're looking for the biggest number that will go into both of them. Now the easiest way to do that is to decompose them using primes, using a factor tree. And it's called a factor tree because basically it looks like a tree because you're going to grow more and more branches the more you break it down. So 45 is 9 times 5. 9 is 3 times 3. So I've ended up with 3, 3 and 5 as my prime factor decomposition. So let's double check it. 3 times 3 is 9 times 5, which gives me 45. Perfect. 30 is 3 times 10. 10 is 2 times 5. Okay, let's circle those primes. So I've got a prime here, and a prime here. So I've got 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, how I find the highest common factor is this. You've probably been shown a Venn diagram. I'm going to, and lots of other methods. I'm just going to show you the listing method. What you do is you write your smallest number on top, your larger number on the bottom. Really, it's not the end of the world if you do it the other way around. And now all you do is get a different colour pen and circle any that have a pair. So I know that 3 is common in both of them and 5 is common in both of them. So that means that my common factor is made by timesing 3 and 5 together. So my highest or largest common factor is 15. Now this looks really complicated, but you do it in your head loads and loads of times when you work with fractions. So for instance, if I'd had 45 and 30, so if I had 30 45ths, I could rewrite this as 2 times 15 and 3 times 15. And because 15 over 15 equals 1 over 1, I can cross these out and just put 1 and 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. So now I've used the highest common factor method to simplify this fraction. And that's why math teachers bang on so much about highest common factors, because it allows you to simplify fractions really easy.